Why are there thousands of cleaning products that seem to do very similar things? While the world we live in has changed dramatically, cleaning technology hasn't, still using strong, harmful and environmentally damaging chemicals. What if there was something from natural, renewable sources that would clean deeper, tackle the toughest of stains, remove odours at source, leaving biofilms to clean on long after use, reducing cost and labour time? Rationalise your cleaning range, reducing stock holding, training and cost. A technology that can replace 1,250 traditional plastic triggers with one biotech concentrate, each saving 81 kilograms of plastic and 1 tonne of transport and water, improving your cost in use. Reduce your CO2e footprint, remove single-use plastic and health and safety issues. What about a UK manufacturer with a carefully selected local supply chain to lower environmental impact? Biotech is the first breakthrough technology in the last 50 years. It uses naturally occurring microbes, enzymes and plant extracts to completely break down and remove organic compounds, stopping odours and giving a high-performance clean with the least environmental impact. As the UK market leader, we have taken the best technologies we use across different markets and built a cleaning range that fulfills every modern requirement. BioHygiene. Cleaner, leaner, greener.